We just got this storage bag and we have all these toys that are in here, very not organized at all. And the storage bag is made with very good fabric. It comes with this section that you can lock the bag and compress it. You can close the bag so that if you want to travel with the bag, you can travel with the bag for storage. So it expands like that. So when you open it up, it has two zippers that gives it a convenient way of opening it up. And in here, you also have the fabric, the play mat. The play mat can be secured onto the storage bag, and there's a Velcro section over there. So you just attach the play mat right there with the storage bag. I love that this storage bag is a big capacity. It's about 13.39 diameter and 16.54 height. The outside material is made out of the cartonic fabric, so it doesn't mold and it's very easy to clean and it doesn't have any smell. It's very, very durable. I love the fact that the basket stands out and the lids are really durable. This mat is very good because the mat, I can also use it as a storage for the toys to hide the toys in. So this is something that will help anyone that has kids and they have messy toys laying all around.